Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix USB or USB-C ports not working on Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to go and search and open up Device Manager. And on Device Manager, you need to look for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. It will be on the end here, expand this option, and then you need to look for USB mass storage device. You just need to right click on it, go to Properties, right click, go to Update Driver. Then you need to select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer. And then select a USB mass storage device, hit Next, and install drivers. And after that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here is to open up CMD, command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then you need to put a command. I will leave this command in the video description below so you can easily copy and paste it. But with your right mouse click, you just need to press on this space, then go to paste after you copy the command, and then this window will open up. Go to Advanced and select Apply Repairs automatically, hit Next, and then it will scan if there is some problems related to your computer. So you just need to wait until it finishes. And after detecting is finished, you just need to press Apply this fix, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.